are doing two-digit multiplication by two-digit multiplication. All right, we're going to learn this. You guys got this. I believe in you. All right, easy steps. The cool thing about math, guys, is it's all about following rules. Once you know the rules, you don't have to think about it no more. You just follow the rules, follow the rules, follow the rules. Okay? So let's get busy on these problems. So we have 14 times 83. All right? 14 times 83. What we're going to do is multiply 3 times the 4. That's going to give me 12. So I'm going to carry my 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. I'm through with this 3, so I'm going to put an X right there. That represents that 3. Then I'm going to go to this next number. 8 times 4 is what? 32. So I'm going to put my 2 right here, and I'm going to carry my 3. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Put a plus sign right there, and I'm going to add all this stuff together. Since this X represents a 0, it's like me saying 2 plus 0 equals 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 1 plus 0 or 1 plus nothing equals 1. 1 plus nothing equals 1. My answer is 1,162. And going from right to left, every time we count 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, we put a comma. 1,162. That is my answer. All right. That's how we do two-digit multiplication by two-digit multiplication. Let's do the next problem. Next problem, we have 97 times 65. See how I'm writing it nice and neat and spaced out so I can see what I'm doing? I want you to write your problems nice and neat and spaced out so you can see what you're doing. Don't write them like this. You don't know. You can't tell what it is. Erase that and start over. So you can see what you're doing, okay? 7 times 5 is 35. It's 35, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 5, I'm going to take that back number, which is my 5, and put it right here. But I'm going to carry this 3, because I'm going to add it. So I'm going to say 5 times 9 is 45, plus 3, 48, plus 3, okay? So 5 times 9 is 45, plus 3, 46, 47, 48. So now I don't need this 3 anymore. I can leave it. I'm gonna leave it right there, but I'm not using it anymore because I'm finished with it. So now since I'm through with this, now this 3 is done with. We're not using that anymore, and we're not using this 5 anymore because we multiplied all the numbers that we can multiply using the 5. So this 5, I'm gonna put an X right here. It means 0. Okay. So now we're gonna go to this next number. 6 times 7 is 42. I'm going to take this back number right here and put it right there. And I'm going to carry the 4. And if you want to, you can write the 4 on top of the 3 since we're not using it anymore. I don't care how you do that. All right? 6 times 9 is 56. Plus 4 is 60. And so now, all I do is just add all this stuff together. 5 plus this X, remember, represents 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. I put my 0, carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 0 is still 5. 6 plus nothing is 6. Then I say 1, 2, 3, comma. My answer is 6,505. Let's make that comma look more like a comma instead of a small 1. Comma. 6,505 is my answer. Good deal, guys. All right. Next problem. And look, if you're feeling confident, go on and work the next problem. So I'm gonna tell you something about numbers that's multiplied by 10. I'm gonna show it to you and then I'm gonna tell it to you. So 77 divided by 10. Watch how easy this is. And for the rest of your life, you're going to be able to rush through numbers that's multiplied by 10. But I'm going to show you first and then I'm going to tell you. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. We're through with this 0, so we're going to put an X. We're going to go to the next number. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7. We're going to add all this stuff together. 0 plus 0 is a 0. Remember, the X represents a 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus nothing is 7. Our answer is 770. Do you notice something? There's a pattern. 7, 7, and look, 10 ends with a 0. Anytime you multiply a number times 10, whatever that number is, just add a 0 behind it, and that's going to be the answer. So 770. 770. That's all you got to do, and that's how you're going to come up with the answer. That's a quick trick for numbers that end with 0. I mean, that end with 10. That's multiplied by 10, okay? Let's go for numbers that's multiplied by 10. All you got to do, whatever that number is, just add a 0, and that's going to be the answer. All right, we have 52 times 80. Remember, I wrote it nice and spread out and big so that we could understand and see. None of that sloppy jumbo writing. Sloppy writing is all jumbled up. No, you need to be able to see what you're doing. Okay? Spread it out so you can see. All right, so we have 0 times 2. 0. 0 times 5. 0. We're through the 0. What am I going to put right here? An X. Because it represents a 0. It says we're done with this number. We're going to the next number. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm putting my 16 right there. I'm going to take this 16, or this 6, I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to carry that 1. Okay? I'm going to carry that 1. All right? 8 times 5 is what? 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. Y'all, we're done. All right, now we got to do is add. Remember, the X represents 0, so 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus nothing is 1. 4 plus nothing is 4. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to count forward. 1, 2, 3. Put my comma. My answer is 4,160. 4,160. It's just that simple. You got this. I believe in you. And look, anytime you learn something new, go show your friends, show your teacher, show your counselor, show your school principal, show somebody. Okay? Show somebody. Look, show me. Send me a little video of you doing your math problems. Show me that you know it. All right? All right, so we're going to the next problem. Good deal. We're almost through. And you are doing a great job, and you are super duper duper smart. I want you to know that. Don't you ever tell yourself that you're dumb. Even if you are having problems with something, you are not dumb. You are very smart. You are very, very smart. And if you need help with something, if you need help with some math problems, Miss Wilson, Miss Adrian, I have videos on the internet. You go through them videos until you find what you need, okay? To help you with math, all right? And even if you need help with your phonics, I have a couple of phonics videos out there. You can pull them up on your phone and watch those phonics videos so you can learn how to read a little bit better. It's okay. You got this. You are a smart student. I believe in you. Last problem. We have 25 times 44. All right, we ready? All right, we're doing the same thing. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to put my 20 right there so we can see. That back number, I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to carry my 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. We're done with this 2 and we're done with this 4. So that 2, we're not thinking about it anymore. That 4, we're going to put an X right here to say, we're done. Then we're going to go right here. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to put my 0, and I'm just going to put a 2 on top of that other 2. Because we weren't using it no more anyways. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Oh, and do y'all notice that I keep my numbers lined up? I do that so that I can add easier. It's all about keeping everything nice and neat so you can get the right answer. All right? So now we're adding. Remember, the X means 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus nothing is 1. I'm going to go right here behind this number, and I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, put my comma. My answer is 1,100 1,100. That's our answer. That's 2 digits, multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. You did a great job. Good deal. Now you understand how to multiply 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. I am so excited for you. Show your friends. Show your friends you know how to do this. And look, sit down in your seat when you go to school tomorrow or whenever you go to school and listen to your teacher and behave, okay? There's a leader on the inside of you. You are special. Your friends around you are special. And guess what? Your teacher is special. I want you to go to school and do your best. You can do great things. Who knows? I may be helping tutor the next future president or the next astronaut or the next great doctor who cures cancer. I don't know. You have a great day. You're doing a great job. All right?